Hello my students, in today's lesson we are going to explain how to use the word unless. As you see, it means if not, or we can say it's used to express a negative condition. Now let's look at some examples to learn it easily. For conditional 1, if he doesn't study hard, he won't get high marks. Now we replace if with unless. Also, we replace the negative form in the if clause with an affirmative form. So doesn't study will become studies. Unless he studies hard, he won't get high marks. Also, it is not necessary to write a negative form in the consequence clause, but it depends on the meaning. Unless he studies hard, he will get low marks. Or we can say, unless he studies hard, he will fail. For the second conditional, if our team didn't score a goal, they wouldn't win the match. We replace if with unless. Also, we replace didn't score with the affirmative form, which is scored. So the answer will be unless our team scored a goal, they wouldn't win the match. Or we can say unless our team scored a goal, they would lose the match. For conditional 3, if we hadn't revised well, we wouldn't have answered correctly. We replace if with unless to say unless we had revised well, we wouldn't have answered correctly. Also, we can say unless we had revised well, we would have answered incorrectly. Now let's think of the answer for the following questions. Replace if with unless. He'll arrive late if he doesn't hurry up. Now replace if with unless. The answer will be he'll arrive late unless he hurries up, because we change doesn't hurry to hurries. Number 2, if he didn't read the advert, he wouldn't get the job. Replace if with unless. Unless he read the advert, he wouldn't get the job. We change didn't read to the affirmative form in the past simple to become read. Read is the past of read. The same spelling but different pronunciation. Number 3, if she hadn't left late, she could have taken the flight. Unless she had left late, she could have taken the flight. Now choose the correct form in each sentence. I will give you 3 seconds to think of the answer. Number 1, my dog space bark unless it is hungry. The answer is won't. My dog won't bark unless it is hungry. Number 2, space you do regular exercise, you will be overweight. The answer is unless. Unless you do regular exercise, you will be overweight. Number 3, space you slow down, we are going to crash. The answer is unless. Unless you slow down, we are going to crash. Number 4, in my country, space you speak English well, it's easy to get a job. The answer is F. In my country, if you speak English well, it's easy to get a job. Number 5, she'll fail the exam if she space study. The answer is doesn't. She'll fail the exam if she doesn't study. Number 6, we'll be late space we leave soon. The answer is we'll be late unless we leave soon. Number 7, space I am not feeling better tomorrow, I will go to the doctor's. The answer is F. If I am not feeling better tomorrow, I will go to the doctor's. Number 8, space you make the payment in time, your car will be confiscated. The answer is unless. Unless you make the payment in time, your car will be confiscated. Number 9 and the last one, you will lose your job. Space, you change your attitude and become friendlier. The answer is unless. You will lose your job unless you change your attitude and become friendlier. Thank you for watching.